on, stop being so mysterious. They're that thing, right? Remember, read. Huh? Ooh. Hey guys, my name is Lucy. And my name is Shuni, and today I'll be reacting to episode 44 of FULLMETAL ALCHEMIST Brotherhood, Revving at Full Throttle.
And this is Ollie. She's purring right now. I feel so happy.
So, I just learned new vocabulary because I didn't know what that meant. But now that I know, I feel it's accurate for the situation. They have to act quickly. A lot of things are happening and from both sides, you know? It's not like they are being attacked on and just defending themselves. And I'm happy for that because they are also attacking.
You were not expecting the attack on Envy.
No.
Or Sampano to be
actually on their side.
Yeah.
And also I was not expecting Hohenheim to go and declare war. And also I was not expecting, well, I was kind of expecting them to get together, Hohenheim and someone.
But any of the Elbrick brothers.
Yeah. But I thought it was going to happen like in the future.
She's purring so loudly. I'm so sad that you can't hear it.
It's like the wheels started spinning and now you can't stop it. You have to keep on going.
So, let's keep on going.
Let's keep on going. Yeah, we'll start watching the episode right now. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. And also you have the link to our Patreon down in the description, and there you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fadings and a few episodes ahead of YouTube. And thank you. Thank you from all YouTube. Subscribe to the Patreon or to the YouTube. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe. Bye.
That was my message to you all.
This video was brought to you by our Patreons. Thank you so much for helping us grow. To have access to all these exclusive rewards, check out the link in the description down below. Enjoy the video!
Episode 44, Revving at Full Throttle.
久しぶりだな、R。
Wow,
I'm so
I
excited.
can't believe this.
ピナコから聞いたよ。体のこととか。
Oh, he knows. So, help him.
ホウさん、ちょっと手を貸してくれないか。
じゃ、後でゆっくり。
What? You see, that's why I don't end up liking him. He's so weird.
直してくれたあのラジオ、あれから調子
Remember the radio?
Oh yeah.
だし、
Ah, nice.
不正を暴いてくれたおかげで町は正気を取り戻した。暴動やなんかもあったが、今はほら。
Yeah.
Everyone's working together.
Yeah. Well, that's what I said in the other episode.
町を挙げ
They
て
are rebuilding. Yeah.
わだかまりを捨ててな。
Yeah, that means something to you.
僕も行ってくる。
Okay.
どれ、俺たちも手伝うか。行くぞ、ヨキ。
Cool.
働いて食った方がうまいだろ。
Yes.
Does taste better.
さっきの息子さん。
久しぶりなんじゃない？ほっといていいの？
父親として信用されてないだ
Well,
ろ。
no, he doesn't.
何を話せばいいのやら。
僕も働く。
Alphonse is the best.
それ運びます。
He's doing it so easy for you, Hohenheim. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes.
のっていつ以来だろう。
Oh, that feeling is so nice.
Yeah.
それにしても偉いわね。その若さでオートメール職人として自立してるなんて。エドの足もあなたが？ええ。エドが立ち上がるための足を作った人か。回り回って私を立ち上がらせてくれたんだから、ウィンディさんは私の恩人でもあるわね。
Yeah. It is true.
Right.
そしたらエドに怒られちゃった。自分の足で立って歩けって。ごめんなさい。いつもそうなんです。優しかったわ。あれがエドの優しさ。
How is it called? Tough love?
Yeah.
奇跡なんかに頼らず、みんな自分の力で立ち直ろうとしている。エドとアルのおかげよ。
And to you, Wendy.
I love the detail of the little dots that they put on her ear.
Yeah.
Show the missing earrings.
迷い込んじまったな。
Oof. Oh, look at where he is.
Yeah.
Ah. and tons of humans.
時代や個人によって変わるものだ。個人が強力な軍隊を持たぬようにするためだよ。人の形をした入れ物に魂を定着させ兵を作る。我々の命令のままに戦う最高の兵。いわば不死の軍団だ。
その定着させる魂とやらは、どこから調達するのですか？
Good question.
我々が踏みにじった、あるいはこれから踏みにじる国の者たちからだ。
Be careful. Yeah.
とんでもねえ。こんなところにグリードさんがいるわけねえ。
仕方ない。
Ling. Yeah.
He looked so different.
Yeah, he did.
人目のないところへ行こう。
お
つまり国土連星人の発動を阻止するためにリオールに。
そしたら父さんがいてびっくりしたよ。と同時にラッキーだと思う。セントラルの地下で父さんそっくりな男を見たんだ。あいつが何者か知ってるんじゃないかって。
いいのかアルフォンス。
Come on, stop being so
俺
mysterious.
があっち側の人間だったらどうする。
Why would you say
こん
that?
なに喋って筒抜けになると
To-
は思えなかったのか。
Show him that it's. I mean, he shouldn't just trust people. Not even his dad. He doesn't know him, really.
俺を信用してくれてありがとう。
He is so weird.
嬉しいよ。さて、俺も息子たちを信じて全て話すか。
Finally!
話せば長くなるな。
Okay, I don't care.
エドワードにも聞いてもらいたいんだが。
Honestly,
実は兄さん行
He
方
could
不
be
明なんだ。
just tell the story twice.
次の方どうぞ。
国家錬金術師エドワード・エルリックの研究費講座から金を
I don't trust this.
国家錬金術師エドワード・エルリック氏の口座から現金の引き出しがありました。
ほらよ、治療費だ。
What?
はい、確かにいただきましたよ。
What's going on?
気づかれたか。
おや軍人さん、どこか悪いので？
人を探している。患者は一人だけか。入院している者は？
They were paying a
もう
doctor.
一人。
But where is Edward? I won't feel okay until I see Edward.
貴様、銀行にいた男だな。
This could be a good or a bad thing.
最近この病院に出入りしているよそ者を見なかったか。
Yes, he is.
赤いコートで金髪の三つ編みのチビ。
He said the forbidden word.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Whoa. Wow. Boy, that's scary.
Yeah.
病人扱いすんな。もうバリンバリンの本調子全開だぜ。
Oh, full throttle. So we can trust in those chimeras too.
Yeah. They were just taking money from the bank.
I know, it was suspicious.
Yeah. I mean, it was a production idea to make it look suspicious.
Yeah,
It makes
yeah.
you feel things. It makes you get involved.
Yeah. I thought that maybe they were just robbing him.
Yeah. No, they were taking money to pay for the doctor
Yeah.
fees.
Relief.
And he's looking great. In
Great.
great shape.
Yeah, that was a good doctor.
Yeah.
You should keep him close.
Do you think he knows about the Philosopher's Stone?
That's the thing. I hope he does. From what we've seen, we can trust in these chimeras too, but maybe.
But it's good to see him.
It's good to see him in good
Fine.
shape and strong and and just like he always is.
Yeah.
世話になったな、先生。礼はいいから早く行きなさい。
Yeah.
赤コート、三つ編みで捜索されてんのか。しばらくこの格好でいるのが良さそうだな。
動くな。
Oh.
速度君、危ないから離れて。そっちこそ動くな。このガキの頭。
Oh. Okay.
Donkey Kong!
Oh no! Woo! Oh, okay.
どこに行った？その交差点を曲がったんじゃないか。
Near that thing, right?
うまく巻いてやったぜ。
Yeah.
もっと質素なのに連成し直せ。
It looks awesome!
Yeah, it's great. Yeah.
Maybe the horns are a bit, like,
Too much?
no, I wouldn't say too much. Unsafe.
Yeah.
If you get in an accident, that could be a
Yeah.
problem.
キンブリーの野郎に油断したせいで飛んだ足止めを食っちまった、アルのやつ無事にウィンリーたちと合流できたかな。アルたちと合流しなくちゃ。
Yeah. Oh,
どこにいるんだ。
He doesn't know.
think, Edward. Think. Yes, think. Will he figure it out?
その父さんが奴隷で賢者の石
He told him.
やっぱり信じられないか。
Wow.
いきなりこんなこと言われて納得するやつは。
Well, after everything that he's been through,
Yeah,
anything is
he can't
believable.
believe it.
僕はその頭がどうかしてるやつみたいだ。
Just a little.
受け入れるの早いな。
Yeah.
正直ビビってるよ。でも自分もこんな体だからかな。
And now, help him.
死なないってどんな感じ？
この体いろいろと便利だけど大切な人が先に行ってしまうのが嫌だな。
And probably Pinnacle.
ねえ、父さんは賢者の石でまっとうな体じゃないんでしょ？僕たちは。
Yeah, okay.
果たしてまっとうな人間か。
I have the same question.
賢者の意志と魂が融合しているけれど核となっているのはあくまで俺という人間だから。だが
Okay.
セントラルにいるあいつ、あれは俺を模した皮袋に入っているようなものだ。
Father?
だからその皮袋を壊せばあいつを倒せるはずだ。
あいつらこの国を使ってクセルクセスの再現をやろうとしてるんじゃないの？手っ取り早いのは地下トンネルを壊すことだ。だからここの地下にある。
やめておけ。地下にはプライドというとんでもないホムンクルスが待ち構えているぞ。もうとっくに完成しているかもしれない。
It is.
だったらなおさら。
まだその日ではない。
Today. Stop talking in riddles.
下ばかり見ないで上を見ろ。そうすれば見えてくるものもある。
太陽神でと。
あいつは来たるべき日を待っている。
Okay.
なんだよ。俺は何したってんだよ。
Why? Ling, where are you?
いいぞ。元気のいいやつは大好きだ。お前みたいなのは大歓迎さ。
最強の盾。クソー、グリドさんみたいな真似しやがって。
Stop mimicking.
俺はグリード。金も欲しい、女も欲しい、地位も名誉も。
この世の全てが欲しい。そんな。いや、でも。
お前、何者？
グリードさん、俺だよ。ダブリスのビドだよ。仲間の顔忘れちゃったのかよ。
Yeah.
思い出した。
Oh, it's so sad.
悪いな。
Why?
それ多分前のグリードだ。俺はお前のことを知らねえ。
Oh, I thought it was a good thing.
侵入者排除が俺の仕事だ。悪いな、ほんと。
But now he remembers. Oh, he's getting the memories of the other greed.
随分ゲスになり下がったもんだな、グリード。仲間を手にかけるとはどういう了見だ。
Yeah.
仲間じゃ。
Yeah, he was.
じゃあこの記憶は何だ。
Oh.
前のグリードの記憶だ。俺のじゃねえ。ならばなぜそんなに苦しめ。
Oh.
してると俺の魂がこの体を取り返しまうぞ。
Oh.
過去など全て忘れている。忘れるわけないだろ。仲間ってのは魂で繋がってんだよ。
If he remembers, it can be a good thing.
魂の家族を切ってやがった。
Remember greed. Yeah. Oh. Ah.
It's so sad.
Oh, I'm going to cry.
Yeah. But Ling is still in there.
Yeah, he's so strong.
Yeah. And he doesn't want his soul to take over the body.
Oh, right, he doesn't. But I do.
Oh, we do have an after credit scene again.
Again.
Good.
Yeah. I want Greed to remember his past because that way, I don't know what he's going to do exactly, but he's going to leave Central.
Okay.
And
leave father at
and
least.
yeah, and leave father and stop obeying, and that's always a good thing.
Yeah.
Stop obeying father. Well, in this case, not you guys.
Obey your parents. As long as they tell you to do good things.
Right, good things. In that way, father will only have, well, wrath, sloth, gluttony, and lust is gone, envy is gone, and greed is probably gone, not dead, but gone. And well, pride is still there, but like they're slowly taking down some soldiers, and that's good.
Yeah. Father has on his side wrath, pride, sloth,
and gluttony.
Yeah. So he has 4 out of 7.
In case this means he's going to leave.
Yeah, in case he gets his old personality back.
Right.
これなんかどうかしら。私がちょうどあなたくらいの頃に読んだの。世界を旅する冒険家のお話よ。
Oh.
何？
I wonder what their daily life is like.
Well, like that.
Yeah.
誰？
Huh? No, but you... he's going to kill you.
Again. And in Ling's body.
Right. He shouldn't have done that. He should have just left. He's going to kill him. I mean, his wife is there.
He cannot use a lot of his powers, but also pride is there.
Right, also pride is there, but yeah, well, maybe it's a good thing that his wife is there. Because that's what I was saying. I wonder, what do they do every day? What if that woman knows something? Maybe she knows nothing. It would be so sad if she knew nothing. You know, like she's living just a
Huge
life.
lie.
But at least this means that greed is back at his old personality. Or I don't know, but something happened and he's going against wrath. So that's a good thing. Even though I feel like he's going to die, there are 2 options. Greed escapes, which can be good. Greed dies. Well, he can only die when father kills him, I guess, because we've seen that before. But I mean, wrath...
We haven't seen it with wrath. That's how it would count, you can say, because he has a human body.
So wrath can kill him or take him to father to kill him.
Greed defeats
wrath? I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe there is another option that I'm not thinking about, and that's what's actually going to happen. So I can't wait to see what's going on with this. Also, Hohenheim told Alphonse everything.
Yeah. So he is going to tell the story twice.
Yeah.
Or not. Maybe they never get together with Hohenheim.
We didn't get to see if Edward found out where Alphonse was.
Yeah. If he figured it out.
If he figured it out, and I guess that means that he is going to find out.
So I guess that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. Also, you have the link to our Patreon down in the description, and there you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fadings, and some episodes ahead of YouTube. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye!